Hi, I'm Jasmin Choy, and this is my customer Yujian.
Hi.
And today we're going to make butter. So this is the whipping cream that she bought. Okay, and we're going to show you how to do it afterwards. Alright? It's going to be very fast and very, very easy. The whipping cream. Alright. Okay. Alright, and then you close the cover. Oh, you can come in, it's okay. Okay, that's the husband there at the side. Okay, so maximum is speed 4, cannot go more than speed 4 when you put the attachment. So now you hear the sound, when you hear the sound, after a while you hear a kind of like, becomes solid, it has a funny sound to it. Now you hear now it's starting to sound different. Okay, and so what happened now? Now it looks like whipping cream.
Okay.
Okay? Like really whipped cream. This is the thing that you put on cupcakes and all the stuff.
Right? Yep.
Okay? Now, so we're going to over whip this. Over whip this will change into butter. Alright, so we just slightly turn it. You see how this is butter, and the white one is
The buttermilk.
the buttermilk. And buttermilk can be used for your cake. Okay, yes. Maybe about 4 or 5 cubes. The point is solidify the butter, you see. Okay, and then the cup of water.
How much water do we put in?
All of it.
All of it.
You will definitely need more. Okay, so it looks like this. And so you just pour out. Okay, then you just take out the butterfly. I'll show you how to auto wash it afterwards. Okay, so this one we just keep putting ice and water, okay, to solidify it. Okay. Pour out some. You can remove the ice also, never mind, if it makes it easier. Press the butter in. Yes, then you see the water coming out. Just keep pressing. And the ice is there to make sure that the butter don't melt. So don't worry about the ice. Yes. You see? Okay, it's so cute. Yeah, it's okay. Curious kids are good. Take the butter out. Yes. Okay. Press the water out. That's right. Do you want to add some salt inside?
We could just to.
You can shape it later on and then keep it in the fridge. Okay.